Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubbles at home with shampoo. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need shampoo, water, and a bit of sugar. For the basic solution, combine 1 part shampoo with 2 parts water. Then, add about 1/2 part sugar to this mixture. This sugar helps to make your bubbles stronger and more resilient, giving you fantastic results for hours of fun. Now, for the mixing process. It is important to stir your ingredients very gently. Vigorous mixing can create too much foam, which makes it harder to blow good bubbles. Make sure all the sugar fully dissolves into the liquid. After mixing, let your solution sit undisturbed for at least 1 hour. This resting period allows the ingredients to fully combine, leading to much better bubble performance. To make your bubbles even stronger and last longer, consider adding a special ingredient. Glycerin or light corn syrup works wonderfully for this. For every 1 cup of shampoo you used, add about 1/4 cup of either glycerin or corn syrup. These additions create a thicker, more elastic bubble film, preventing them from popping too quickly. This simple step makes a big difference in your bubble blowing experience. Finally, it is time to make some bubbles. You can easily fashion a bubble wand from items around your home, such as pipe cleaners or bent wire. Simply dip your chosen wand into the solution, ensuring the opening is fully coated. Then, gently blow through the wand to create beautiful, shimmering bubbles. Have fun experimenting with different wand shapes and sizes to see what amazing bubbles you can create.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.